I welcome you all to my new class, and this class is based on past continuous tense. Yes student, in today's class we are gonna talk about past continuous tense, but you guys have to listen to me very carefully. You have to pay attention on the board, and the most important thing that I recommend to my student, do practice every day, do practice on the daily basis, and see the change, see the improvement in your language. For example, you have a dream to become a confident speaker of English language, and you are not practicing, you are not speaking. So you think without practice you can speak? You have learned all grammar rules, you have learned all parts of speech, preposition, noun, pronoun, all things, but still you are unable to speak. Why is it? Because you are not speaking. Until you speak, you will not be able to learn. So student, start practicing from now on. Listen to me